Wake up to the soothing sound of waves and the magical sight of dolphins at sunrise. Welcome to Puri Bagus Lovina, where your Balinese-style villa offers total privacy, modern comforts, and an open-air shower that brings you closer to nature. Just steps away, hop on a traditional boat and cruise at dawn to watch wild dolphins dancing in their natural home, a moment you'll never forget. Here, every sunrise is an adventure, and every stay feels like home. Reconnect with nature, reconnect with yourself, only at Puri Bagus Lovina.